Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to search for recently uploaded videos on YouTube, specifically if there is a certain creator you're looking for or a certain topic. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on our YouTube channel. So kailangan mo lang i-open ang yung YouTube channel and then click mo lang dito yung ating browser. And then once nakapag-login ka na or nandito ka na sa ating YouTube channel, so dito lang sa searching address bar ng ating channel ay kailangan mo lang mag-search dito ng any creator. So for example, ang aking channel, so type mo lang dito and click mo lang dito yung search. And then kung paano ba natin ito makita yung recently uploaded videos on YouTube, dito lang sa upper right side mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito yung filters. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito sa search filter, so makikita mo dito yung upload date, type, durations, features, and then yung sort by. So dito sa sort by, kung gusto mong makita yung kanyang upload date, so i-click mo lang yan. And automatic mga kaibigan na nandito lahat yung details ng upload date. And then next step, so dito naman sa upload date, so pwede mo namang i-check dito yung kanyang last hour, today, this week, this month, and this year. And dito naman sa sort by, so pwede mo naman dito tignan yung kanyang view count, so click mo lang yan. And makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan ang aking YouTube channel view count mga kaibigan. So nandito yung complete details din, scroll down ka lang at nandito lahat. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to search for recently uploaded videos on YouTube. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.